Hi everyone, this is Hira, Marketing Manager from Communication Square. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to create and manage Microsoft Teams meetings, both one-off and recurring. Add dial-in numbers with Teams Phone, and make sure Outlook meetings land neatly on your Teams calendar. Let's dive in. First, open your Teams calendar and hit New Meeting. This opens a familiar form. Enter the details. Give it a clear title. Add required or optional attendees. If you're not sure everyone's free, tap Scheduling Assistant. The colored bars show conflicts. Slide the meeting until everyone's green. Then go back to the event settings and choose date and time. You can pick an optional one or even ask Teams to find a time for you. It will pick any time where both the attendees are available. Return to the event settings screen. Choose whether the meeting will be in person or remote, and complete the fields accordingly. If it's face-to-face, switch on the in-person toggle and enter the venue address. If it's online, simply leave the location blank. Next, use the Graphics and Instructions area to upload visuals or add written guidance that will help participants prepare. Finally, populate the meeting agenda field with a clear lineup of discussion topics, presenters, and time allocations so everyone knows what to expect and the conversation stays focused. When you're happy, click Send. That's it. Your meeting is on everyone's calendar. To make this recurring, open the meeting, choose Custom, and set it for, say, every Tuesday at 10 a.m. until the end of the quarter. Save. Now it's a series. Any change I make to this in future will propagate, while just this one edits a single occurrence. You can schedule right from Outlook too. Start a new event. Click Teams Meeting toggle, and that's it. One click adds the Teams link. Send, and because Outlook and Teams share the same Microsoft 365 account, it appears instantly in my Teams calendar. If the toggle is missing, ask IT to reinstall the Teams Meeting add-in. Now, let's see what changes and settings are available to you inside the meeting. Click Join. Notice the lobby settings we configured. Inside this, you can turn on your camera or use a blurred background. Mesh avatars are available if you'd rather stay off camera. Choose Share Most Window to demo software or PowerPoint Live for slides. Use reactions or raise hand so we don't talk over each other. Run a quick poll with forms. Open breakout rooms for small group work. Hit record. Live captions appear at the bottom, and the transcript will be saved afterwards. You can also chat or share links during the meeting. Once we hang up, the recording, transcript, and attendance sit in the chat. Copilot also posts a smart recap and action items. That's the quick tour. You've learned how to schedule single and recurring Teams meetings, add dial-in numbers, pull Outlook invites into Teams, and run engaging, secure sessions. Try it out and let us know if the Communication Square team can help you roll out Teams Phone across your organization. Thanks for watching.